Hello, good morning guys, namaste and welcome back to another vlog. So the plan for today is guys, it's going to be a casual day as the monuments here are closed due to the sake of COVID. The plan actually was that we are going to cover Akshardham temple and Lotus temple. We gave a call to the official website guys, but they say that the monuments are closed today. So for that alternative we are planning out something else and we are sorting out some problems which we are facing on the trip. So for example, my car is making a lot of fan noise guys, the AC sound. So no, first we are going to visit the mechanic and later we'll go for the camera shop to buy the tripod and UV filter guys. With the tripod I want to take some very good photos of the Milky Ways in Leh Ladakh. So I did not have one and I thought of buying here, and we are going to the camera store second, and I also need a UV filter for my new lens, so we are also doing that. Later if we have time, Sai needs some shoes guys because we are doing some trekking. So we'll go for the Woodland factory outlet and buy shoes for him. So these are some of the things that we are going to do today guys. It's going to be a casual day, but it's going to be fun guys. So I'll catch you at the next spot. So guys, the problem seems a bit complicated guys. I thought it was a small problem. There is a change in the chip or something. They need to change the chip. But it seems like the whole fan motor is gone guys. So here they don't have the stock. So we are going to the Ford service center guys. So they'll have spare parts. Maybe they'll do this job. This guy is saying that he'll take 2 days of time to repair this stuff. But we don't have that much of time guys. So we are going to the Ford service center now so that we can get the part. Maybe so this problem is a very big one guys, so we cannot go like this. The fan cools the whole engine, so we are doing a long ride. So if you don't sort out this, so the engine may get seized. So that's why we are going there, even if there is a lot of traffic, which I don't hate, and I'm still going to the Ford service center guys. So we'll go and figure out the problem. If not here in Chandigarh also, we should figure this out guys, because the problem is very serious. It's related to the engine. So I'll catch you in the Ford service. So guys, here also there is no availability of the part guys, but we have it in other showroom which is called as Tanish Ford. So that is just 28 kilometers from my hotel guys. The good news is it's outside the city, but today the work is not going to happen guys. It's already 4:30, so the servicing time is closed. So tomorrow morning, in the early morning, I should get up at 8 o'clock and by 9 I should reach here, and then I can change the part guys. So as I said you guys, the fan problem is a major thing guys. It's really a serious issue. So if you guys are also having any fan sounds in your car, don't take it light guys. That problem is really very serious. If you don't change the fan, your engine may get on fire. So be really very conscious about these kind of noises when you're doing these long drives guys. So keeping that aside guys, now the next plan is that I'm going to the camera store so that I'll get a tripod and a UV filter for the lens. So I'll catch you there. Guys, no, I got caught by the security guard because I was recording in the DSLR in the mall, guys. I really am not understanding what's wrong with people. Why are they not even allowing DSLR in the malls? But anyhow, guys, I understand some terms and conditions. But yeah, this job is getting tougher and tougher, guys. So guys, I got the UV filter, as you can see. So he's charging 1,000 rupees, guys. It works so that there will be no scratches on your lens. I already have an ND on this, guys, but in the night I'm struggling to get the more light. So this should do the job, guys. From now on you can see it more clearly really in the night. And there's a tripod here, guys, but I have something like this. So I'm looking for something which is more bulky. Maybe I'll have this, and I'm heading back home. That's it. So guys, I am finally back to the room, as you can see. So I'm doing a bit of editing, guys. So just now I ordered a veg manchuria so that I'll get energy and do the vlog with more interest. And Sai got some chicken fry. So the food is not that great, guys. I'll give 3.54 rating. We just ordered the food from the restaurant down here, and I don't think so we'll do that again. So anyhow, guys, now I'll tuck in some food and do some more editing. Maybe in an hour or two we'll go outside for dinner, and then I'll catch you again. So see you there.
Take care. Have a good ride.
Yep.
Drive nicely.
See ya, cabs.
Yeah, take care. Good night.
So guys, I am finally back to the room. So that's it with the casual day, guys. So today was not a kind of exploring kind of a day, but it was more of an organizing kind of a day, guys, because as there was nothing to explore, so I thought of organizing all the things and prepare for the big adventure which is going to come. And the good news is, guys, I also got all my stuff which I ordered. So maybe after this car repair is done, the day after tomorrow we will leave to the big adventure. So I'm planning and sorting out all the things, guys. And as there was nothing, I thought of meeting Cabby and learn some more new things. And as usual, she gave me so much knowledge, and I'm very inspired. And it really feels good, guys, to have such kind of a friends and get to talk more broader and deeper conversations. It really elevates your spirit, guys, and you learn so much, and it really feels good. So that's it for today, guys. So I'll catch you tomorrow. So guys, it's finally day 2 of my car service. So everything is being done, guys. I got the appointment, and we also got the parts, so things are going good. So now the plan is that I'll go to a coffee shop and then do some work. Maybe the car they'll deliver at 4 or 5 in the evening. So I'll catch you in the coffee shop.
50-60 के आसपास कम से कम।
अभी चलेगा ना?
अभी तो चल रहा है, उससे कोई दिक्कत नहीं। जब इंजेक्टर और ज़्यादा आवाज़ करेगा तो ऐसी रनिंग गाड़ी पे भी आवाज़ करेगा वो।
पूरा चेक ठीक है, वो चेक में इंजेक्शन का प्रॉब्लम नहीं आया। So guys, finally the spaceship is back. The problem is sorted out, guys. So they put the brand new fan, and we also got a general checkup done, guys, for 1500 rupees. So they'll completely inspect the car and thoroughly check every part of it. And we finally have been certified that there is no problem in the car, guys. So we are fully prepared and loaded to go to the Ladakh and do the big adventure. And the car really feels brand new, and it really breathes very well. It really feels smooth, and I also got the wheel alignments and balancing done. So all good, guys, fully prepared. And the Ford did a very good job, and every single time the service of the Ford is very good, guys. The customer support is really awesome. Thanks for that, Ford. And now the plan is, guys, I'm heading back to the room and take a bit of rest for half an hour, 45 minutes, and then we'll go for the dinner, guys. So I'll catch you at the dinner spot.
See who is back.